Hello, everybody, and welcome to Airplane Racing. And these two planes will fly from that end to where that cone's supposed to be. And now we have Blue Angel Hornet, F-18 Hornet, number 2, and P-51 Mustang World War II. And now let's get started. We're clear for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Clear for takeoff and race. P-51 Mustang already hit the cone. And now P-51 Mustang takes your first ride on airplane ways. Blue Angel could have been the Blue Thunderbirds.
Tuesday, everyone. I'm Rachel, and Rachel, you had the opportunity today to shoot off the rocket. Just tell us a little bit more about the shoot off of the huge rocket here today.
Yeah, so we launched a Model Saturn V rocket. So that's the rocket that the Apollo missions used to get all the way up. And it was pretty exciting because this is the birthplace and the home of Robert Goddard, Worcester's own Robert Goddard, and his wife Esther. They were so important in getting us up to the moon. Now, he didn't live to see it.